but let's learn to practice nonviolence with each other. That's the spirit of Dr. King. That's the spirit of Farrakhan. That's the spirit of all of us.
No matter what your background is, what your beliefs is, but one thing is this: as Muslims, Christians, Jehovah's Witness, Hebrew Israelites, we gotta stop thinking cliquish and work as a unit. God's looking at our work as a whole. He's not dividing us up.
But we're telling every black man, you need to join the FOI. If you are serious about solving this problem, we're telling the black women, before you even show affection for that black man, send them to the FOI and allow us to train them up for you.
We out here standing up for the black man in D.C., you know what I'm saying, trying to curb the crime rate and help prevent black on black crimes. You know, and all the murders that's going on out here, we're trying to wake the brothers and sisters up here in D.C., you know, and all over the world. This is what the most Honorable Elijah Muhammad, through the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan, teaches us, to save our people. We're here to resurrect the black man and all the people of color. We're not here to put them in the grave. These are the life-giving teachings. Our teacher gave us life, so we trying to give life back to the black man, woman, and child here in the hills of North America.
Brother, you just got the final call. What does it mean for us to be out here with you, brother?
I truly appreciate y'all being out here. This is a neighborhood for y'all to be in and spread the word. I am a follower of the messenger, Elijah Muhammad. I respect the Honorable Louis Farrakhan, and I'm proud to see y'all brothers out.
Help save the endangered species, the black man. This is the greatest, the latest paper that will give you the information that will give you life. That will save your life, will give you liberation, will save the people that you love more than any paper on the planet. There's no national, international paper speaking about black people nowhere in America. This is the one that you need to read. It will give you information that you will never have anywhere else. CNN won't give it to you. CBS won't give it to you. NBC won't give it to you. This is the one that you need to read so you can be fully informed. Thank you for listening as I leave you in peace. Assalamu alaikum.
Next open class, but any Monday night is we're available. Anything we can do to change the thinking of one young man in the city will help. Anything. Thank you.
Getting this word in the hands of the people, and our mighty presence on every corner is a majestic thing, and I'm blessed to be part of it today.
The next thing is, can you make your community a safe place to live and a decent place to live? Get in them streets now, block by block. We're gonna have to clean it up.
And until and unless we stop the killing of one another, we can never stop the oppressor from killing us. But the moment we stop killing each other, we can put a stop to anybody else's killing of us.